Now with the pole bar in place and the single polar attached, we're gonna start lifting that pole point and then start tapping down our high spots and see what we can do from there. So I'm just gonna start tightening the pole point up here, and you can already see that there's some pressure being relieved in the middle of the panel. Okay, so it looks like just a little bit more on this one. And then what works really nice about the ProSpot PB10 pull bar is now we have another claw available, so we're going to slide that guy into place. And it makes it really easy now to be able to take this other handle pocket tab that we've made and make a pull without even moving the pull bar. So now we'll start putting pressure on that, and you can see the handle pocket is starting to lift up out of place now, back to where it's supposed to be. And there it goes. You saw how that panel just completely lifted back into place. And now I can go back on this one a little bit and get that handle pocket even a little bit closer to coming out. We go back and forth until we get it right where we want to be, and we're real close. You can see I'm still just a little bit low on the bottom half there. I think at that point we're pretty close to being back where we need to be. So as I continue to go back and forth with this and make my pulls, you can see how much closer the dent is to be completely out. This whole low area is completely out, and even over here where I've added my other tabs, most of that damage has really made itself disappear. We're gonna need a very small pull. You can see as I pulled this side up, this side's now loose, so now I can go ahead, crank down on this side so that I can keep pulling to get it where I want. Tap down a couple more of my high spots. Go back to the other side that's now loosened up, and you can really see how that handle pocket's almost completely flush again. Give this side another twist. There we go. The damage is pretty much completely gone and ready for plastic. So now that we have the top part of the dent worked out, let's move to the other section and make a pull along this section of the door to get that low spot lifted out. And then we'll be completely ready for plastic. Now that the handle pocket is pulled out, we set up our pull bar to get rid of the last little low spot in the middle of the door. If you look closely right here, we can see that right at the end of the glue tabs, we have a low spot, which is creating a little high ridge. So I want to make just a slight pull to get that up to be able to tap down my high spots to finish it off and get it ready for plastic. So to start, I'm going to make a pull and just get some pressure onto that panel. I can already see it lifting a little bit. And now that I have some pressure on the panel, I'm going to go ahead and tap down that high ridge that we saw right here. Just pull it just a little bit higher. High spot's gone, low spot is gone, and we are ready for plastic.